Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're going to be reviewing the best Twonado stickers available in the market for all you party lovers out there. Introducing the 96 PCS Twonado-themed Twonado birthday party decorations favors supplies decor cute Twonado tattoos stickers gifts for kids girls boys school prizes rewards. This amazing ornament assortment includes 10 sheets, each with 96 PCS of cute Twonado tattoos, measuring 6.1 by 3.1 inches. The unique designs on these temporary tattoos are sure to add a pop of color to any event and create a memorable experience. Perfect for Twonado birthday parties, Twonado-themed decorations, second birthday parties, and more. The tattoos are made using high-quality, eco-friendly paper that is safe for use. They are visually appealing and made with utmost care for safety. To apply, simply cut out the pattern, peel off the protective film, place on skin or objects, wet the paper, apply light pressure, and voila! It's easily removable with baby oil, soap, or water. Do not apply around eyes, lips, or sensitive skin areas. Always supervise children under 4 while using these tattoos. If you have any issues, the customer service team is always ready to assist for a positive shopping experience. In conclusion, the 96 PCS Twonado-themed Twonado birthday party decorations favors supplies cute Twonado tattoos stickers is a must-have for any party enthusiast. With its unique designs, high quality, and safety features, it's a great addition to any celebration. So, go ahead and add a touch of fun to your next event with these fantastic Twonado stickers. Get yours today and make your party a hit. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Thanks for watching and see you next time.